Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. But if you're new here, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and ring the notification bell. Mostly my contents are unboxing and tutorials. I also do reviews of supplements for kids and for adults. By the way, small business owner here in the Philippines. If you're interested in authentic supplements, kindly check my Shopee store and I will put the link on the description box. For today's video, we are going to print, scan, and copy using the Epson L3210 EcoTank Printer. By the way, I already unboxed and made a tutorial for this printer. If you haven't watched it, I will put the link on the description box or you may find it in the I button. After watching the unboxing, you may come back to this video again. For all those who don't know, I am a hands-on mom. I am the one who's teaching my baby. I bought the printer so that I can print the images, letters, and numbers without going outside. As of now, she's 2 years old. She already knew the basic alphabet phonics and I am about to teach her how to read. So let's now print, scan, and copy using the Epson L3210 EcoTank Printer. Just press this if you want one copy. If you want 2 copies and more, just press this button. For this one, I pressed 3 times. Just press how many copies you desire. If you want 10 copies, just press it 10 times. Or if you want 20 copies, just press it 20 times. You will choose the operating system of your gadget. Download Scanner Driver and Epson Scan 2 utility. You may change the file name if you want. Let's just wait for it to download. Click Next. You may read the license agreement if you want. After I printed, I laminated it using the SL299 hot and cold laminator. I also unboxed and made a tutorial for this laminating machine. I bought it in Shopee, and I will put the link of the Shopee store where I bought it. X.
Oh.
4. What's that? Z. What's that?
Hi.